guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to learn how to join Telegram groups. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Telegram app, then tap on the search icon and search for group, channels or anything you want. I'm looking for Lucifer movie group channel, so I'll search Lucifer. Here you can see chats and other items, so tap on any one of it. I will tap on the first one. Here you can see I have talked with it, and here you can see movie group. Tap on it. Here request to join, you can request and join the group. After they accept your request, then you'll be entering the Lucifer channel. Like this, you can join other groups. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.